Hemorrhoids are a painful and unpleasant issue, but it is common in numerous people. Yet, their treatment is not an easy task and many products simply fail to deliver the desired results. On the other hand, natural medicine offers some extremely effective methods to get rid of hemorrhoids and to solve the issues with bleeding, pain, itching, and swelling. Today, we will reveal the best natural remedies to help you in this case, as well as some useful tips. Nutmeg. This method has been shown to be effective in the case of hemorrhoids. Simply take a half tablespoon of nutmeg in the evening, before going to sleep, and in the morning, when you wake up. Warm sitz bath. You need to have a 15 to 20 minutes shower at least 3 times weekly, in order to alleviate the swelling and tingling and clean the butt-centric crevices and hemorrhoids. Also, this method is extremely beneficial in the case of outer hemorrhoids. Moreover, the following procedure should be performed after a solid discharge. You need to sit in a bigger bowl or shower with warm water enriched with salt, either Epsom salt, cooking salt, or ocean salt. You can also buy a sitz shower from a drug specialist, and it will enable you to have a shower while on the toilet seat. Garlic cloves. The following method does not burn but makes the affected area numb. Take some garlic cloves, grind them and mix them with coconut or olive oil in your blender. You can freeze the mixture and make small suppositories. When needed, insert them into your rectum. Yet, note that this procedure will be quite painful. Witch hazel. Numerous people have found the following method really effective. Apply witch hazel to the affected areas using cotton wool, soft tissue, or witch hazel swab. Repeat the method 3 times a day, and as soon as you feel some relief, you can continue applying it once a day. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has strong healing and soothing properties. Simply apply it on cotton wool, on some soft tissue, or on your fingers and massage the affected areas. Repeat this 3 times a day, and as soon as you feel some improvement, you can massage the regions once a day. Ice cubes. Ice cubes can be used in 2 ways. Either you press them on your external hemorrhoids in order to relieve them, or you can insert some small ice cubes into the anus in order to reduce the swelling. Stool softeners. Stool softeners will be really useful as they help the defecation. Mainly, they prevent straining, which makes it easier to pass stools. If you experience swellings and bleeding, your stool should be smooth in order not to cause uneasiness and swelling. Foods high in fibers. This is one of the oldest ways to cure hemorrhoids. You should consume fresh and raw fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, as they are abundant in fibers. They are beneficial as they soften the stool. Note that you should increase the intake of these foods gradually, in order to prevent diarrhea and IBS. Clean underwear. Remember, you should always wear clean underwear, and you should change it frequently. If you suffer from bleeding, small accidents, and leakages, you must carry an extra pair of underwear with you. Moreover, note that your underwear should be loose cotton, in order not to cause sweating, as it can lead to itching. Regular exercise. You need to be physically active in order to enhance your digestion and prevent slow bowel movement. This does not mean that you should do some strenuous exercises, as even walking can be really beneficial. Frequent change of clothes. Especially if you like wearing pants, you should frequently change your clothes, as blood, feces, or mucus leakages may pass through your underwear and soil them. In the case they dry, it will create perfect conditions for germs, which can be transferred to anyone who touches the place where you sat. Drink water. Our body needs to be properly hydrated, so you should regularly drink sufficient amounts of water. Water helps our stool not to harden. You should also avoid colas and soda drinks, as they have caffeine, which leads to dehydration. You can also add some fruits, such as lemons or oranges, to your water in order to enrich its flavor.